Now you can see that I mean the solution have converged at 2000 iteration, and in between at 1900 iteration I have also received a solution converged message. So I have just entered the residuals and extended the values to 1e minus 5. And now after that, at the 2157th iteration, you can see again they have fallen below the criteria. Coming to the velocity monitor, you can see it is almost reaching to constant. So what I will be doing is I will be extending the residuals again to 1e minus 6, so that I can run the iterations for many few more iterations, and then I can just eventually stop the solution and conclude the convergence part. Already the velocity is approximately constant over here. You can see the values is almost it is e minus 3, actually 10 power minus 3. You can just check up the starting three values if you want, like that is 935, 935. So 935 is the constant value for plenty of iterations, you can, right? So we have almost reached convergence, but again I just want to run up to 2500 iterations and see the line to be straight. And you can see the residuals, they have fallen below 1e minus 5 as of now. So let me just extend them for a while, and let us just catch up in the next video.